Fry 12 ounces of bacon in a large pot. Drain the crispy bacon on a paper towel and remove all but 2 tablespoons of the bacon fat from the pot. Saute the garlic and onions in the bacon fat. Once the onions have softened, add in the flour. Stir until all of the flour has been incorporated. Quickly stir in 1 cup of hot chicken stock. The mixture will thicken, so you must stir fast to avoid lumps. Then add in 1 cup of milk, also stirring. And you're going to keep stirring until it heats up again, and then you'll add in more chicken stock and alternate between chicken stock and milk until you've added all of the chicken stock and all of the milk. After each addition of milk, make sure to let the mixture warm back up again before adding in the chicken stock. Once all of the chicken stock and milk have been added, add in the potatoes. Once the potatoes have been cooked and are tender, take half of the potatoes out of the pot and set aside. Puree the remaining potatoes that are in the soup. Once you finish pureeing the soup, add in the potatoes that were set aside. Then, once the potatoes are mixed in, add in the bacon. Taste the soup, and if necessary, add more salt to the soup. Allow the soup to cook a little while longer, and then it's ready to serve. Typically, I serve it with a little bit of green onions and cheese on top. Enjoy!